Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, we are going to discuss about that how you can remove a background in Photoshop. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to install the Photoshop. You can download it from easily from the Google. So I have already installed the Photoshop. So let's open it. So as you can see, I have opened the Photoshop and I have already inserted a picture. I'm going to delete this one and I'm going to use this one. So let's click on this. And as you can see now, it is the picture and I want to remove the background of this picture. So what's first of all what we have to do, we have to make it zoom because we want the quality work. So if you want a quality work, then you have to zoom in the picture. So now what we need to do, we have to go to here. So as you can see, here are the tools. If you want a background eraser tool, you have to click on this. You can also use this one, or if you want to eraser tool, you can also use this one. It's up to you. For example, I'm going to use the background eraser tool. So let's click on this and now let's remove this and now drag this here like in this way and now press the hash. Choose this tag which is called a hand tag, you can call it. For using this hand tag, you have to press the H. So I'm going to press on this tool again. So for using eraser tool again, you have to press the E, and after that I'm going to select it again. As you can see, now we have to remove the background again. So we have to keep dragging until we remove the background. Let's drag. So as you can see, I have removed the background of this part. You can also do that. So simply you have to drag the tool in the same way as I was doing. After that, your background will be removed. So in this way, you can remove a background of picture in Photoshop. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can remove a picture background in Photoshop. You just have to follow my these steps. You have to use these both tools, like the eraser tool, background eraser tool. And after using these tools, your background will be removed easily. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.